Are you ready to transform your core and build incredible strength in just 30 days? In this challenge, we'll guide you through a variety of plank exercises, starting from the basics and progressing to more advanced techniques. So get ready, because we're about to embark on a journey that will transform your core and elevate your fitness to the next level. Grab your mat, find a comfortable space, and let's get started with the ultimate 30-day plank challenge. What is the 30-day plank challenge? This challenge is designed to gradually increase your core strength and endurance through daily plank exercises. Each day, you'll perform a plank, starting with a manageable duration and progressively increasing the time as the challenge continues. By the end of the 30 days, you'll be able to hold a plank longer than you ever thought possible. Benefits of planking. Planking is an excellent full-body workout that primarily targets your core, but also engages your shoulders, arms, and glutes. It helps improve your posture, balance, and stability, and can reduce the risk of back pain by strengthening the muscles around your spine. Additionally, planking boosts your metabolism and enhances overall body strength. Structure of the 30-day plan. Week 1. Focus on building a strong foundation with basic planks. Week 2. Increase the duration of your planks to build endurance. Week 3. Introduce advanced variations to challenge your muscles. Week 4. Combine different plank exercises to maximize strength and endurance. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's dive into Week 1 and start building a rock-solid core. Week 1. Getting started? Welcome to Week 1 of the 30-day plank challenge. This week, we'll focus on building a strong foundation with basic planks. It's essential to start with proper form to maximize benefits and avoid injury. We'll begin with manageable durations and gradually increase the time each day. Daily plank routine. Day 1 to 20 seconds. Day 2 to 25 seconds. Day 3 to 30 seconds. Day 4 to 35 seconds. Day 5 to 40 seconds. Day 6 to 45 seconds. Day 7 to 50 seconds. Proper form tips. Start in a plank position. Lie face down with your forearms on the ground and elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles to maintain a flat back and prevent your hips from sagging or rising. Keep your head neutral. Look down at the ground to keep your neck in a neutral position and avoid straining it. Hold steady. Focus on maintaining your form and breathing steadily throughout the duration of the plank. Motivation and encouragement. Starting a new challenge can be tough, but remember that consistency is key. Each day, you're building strength and endurance, so celebrate every small victory. If you find it challenging to hold the plank for the entire duration, that's okay. Take a short break if needed and then resume. The important thing is to push yourself while listening to your body. Plank modifications. If you're new to planking or find it difficult to hold the position, here are some modifications to help you get started. Knee plank. Instead of balancing on your toes, keep your knees on the ground. This reduces the strain on your core while still providing a good workout. Wall plank. Stand a few feet away from a wall, place your forearms against the wall, and lean into the plank position. This is a great modification for beginners or those with wrist issues. Additional tips for success. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles hydrated and reduce the risk of cramps. Stretch regularly. Incorporate stretching into your routine to improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust the duration or intensity if needed. Week 2. Building endurance. Welcome to Week 2 of the 30-day plank challenge. This week, we'll focus on increasing the duration of your planks to build endurance. As you push your limits, you'll notice your core getting stronger and your stamina improving. Let's dive into the routine and key tips for success. Daily plank routine. Day 8 to 55 seconds. Day 9 to 1 minute. Day 10 to 1 minute 5 seconds. Day 11 to 1 minute 10 seconds. Day 12 to 1 minute 15 seconds. Day 13 to 1 minute 20 seconds. Day 14 to 1 minute 25 seconds. Increasing plank duration. As you increase the time you spend in a plank, it's important to maintain proper form to prevent injury and maximize the benefits. Keep your core engaged, back flat, and head neutral. If you feel your form slipping, take a brief break, reset, and then continue. It's better to perform a shorter plank with correct form than a longer one with poor form. Introducing variations. To keep your workouts interesting and challenge different muscle groups, we'll introduce some plank variations this week. Side plank. Lie on your side with one forearm on the ground and your elbow beneath your shoulder. Stack your feet and lift your hips, creating a straight line from head to heels. Hold for half the duration on each side. Reverse plank. Sit with your legs extended and hands placed slightly behind your hips, fingers pointing forward. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from head to heels. This variation targets your lower back and glutes. Plank with shoulder taps. From a traditional plank position, lift one hand to tap the opposite shoulder, alternating sides. This adds an element of instability, engaging your core even more. Continued motivation. As the plank durations get longer, it's normal to feel more challenged. Remember why you started this journey and the benefits you're working towards. Visualize the strength and stability you're building with each plank. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Plank modifications. If you're struggling with the increased duration, don't hesitate to modify the plank to suit your current fitness level. Knee plank. Continue using the knee plank if needed. It's better to maintain good form with a modification than to compromise your posture. Break it up. If you can't hold the full duration, break it into smaller sets with brief rests in between. Tips for success. Stay consistent. Make planking a daily habit, even if it's challenging. Consistency is key to seeing results. Pair with other exercises. Incorporate planks into your regular workout routine for a more comprehensive fitness plan. Stay positive. Keep a positive mindset and remind yourself of your progress and the benefits you're achieving. Week 3. Advanced Techniques. Welcome to Week 3 of the 30-Day Plank Challenge. This week, we're stepping up the intensity with advanced plank variations. These techniques will further challenge your core, enhance your overall strength, and keep the routine exciting. Let's dive into the advanced techniques and how to perform them correctly. Daily plank routine. Day 15 to 1 minute 30 seconds. Day 16 to 1 minute 35 seconds. Day 17 to 1 minute 40 seconds. Day 18 to 1 minute 45 seconds. Day 19 to 1 minute 50 seconds. Day 20 to 1 minute 55 seconds. Day 21 to 2 minutes. Advanced plank variations. Plank with leg lift. Start in a traditional plank position. Lift one leg towards the ceiling, keeping it straight, and hold for a few seconds. Lower it back down and switch legs. This variation adds extra challenge to your glutes and lower back. Spider-Man plank. From a traditional plank position, bring your right knee towards your right elbow, then return to the starting position. Repeat on the left side. This engages your obliques and adds a dynamic element to the plank. Plank to push-up. Begin in a forearm plank position. Push up onto your hands one at a time to transition into a high plank, then lower back down to a forearm plank. This variation works your shoulders and arms in addition to your core. Plank with hip dips. Start in a forearm plank. Rotate your hips to the right, dipping them towards the floor, then return to the center. Repeat on the left side. This targets your obliques and increases core stability. Single arm plank. From a traditional plank position, lift one arm straight out in front of you and hold. Alternate arms after a few seconds. This variation challenges your balance and core stability. Combining planks with other exercises. To maximize the benefits of planking, try combining it with other exercises. For example, plank to mountain climbers. Transition from a plank position to performing mountain climbers for 10 to 15 seconds, then return to the plank. Plank jacks. From a plank position, jump your feet out to the sides and back in, similar to a jumping jack while holding the plank. Tips for overcoming plateaus. As the challenge progresses, you might encounter plateaus where it feels difficult to increase the duration or intensity. Here are some tips to help you push through. Set small goals. Break down the duration into smaller, more manageable goals. Aim to hold the plank for just 5 seconds longer each day. Focus on breathing. Concentrate on deep, steady breaths to help you maintain the plank position. Adjust your mindset. Visualize your progress and remind yourself why you started this challenge. Positive thinking can make a significant difference. Motivation and encouragement. This week's advanced techniques will test your strength and endurance, but remember that each challenge brings you closer to your goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing your limits. You've already made incredible progress. Week 4. Finishing strong. Welcome to the final week of the 30-Day Plank Challenge. You've come a long way and now it's time to finish strong. This week, we'll push your limits and combine various plank exercises to maximize your core strength and endurance. Daily plank routine. Day 22 to 2 minutes 5 seconds. Day 23 to 2 minutes 10 seconds. Day 24 to 2 minutes 15 seconds. Day 25 to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Day 26 to 2 minutes 25 seconds. Day 27 to 2 minutes 30 seconds. Day 28 to 2 minutes 35 seconds. Day 29 to 2 minutes 40 seconds. Day 30 to 3 minutes. Combining plank exercises. Incorporate a mix of traditional planks, side planks, and advanced variations into your routine. For example, Minute 1, traditional plank. Minute 2, side plank, 30 seconds each side. Minute 3, plank with shoulder taps. Reviewing progress. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Notice the improvements in your core strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Celebrate your achievements and the hard work you've put in over the past month. Encouragement to maintain the habit. Even though the challenge is ending, it's important to maintain your progress. Continue incorporating planks into your regular workout routine. Whether it's a quick daily plank or a part of a longer workout, keeping up with this exercise will help you sustain and build on your strength. Congratulations, you've completed the ultimate 30-day plank challenge. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching.